Hi everyone, welcome to Dinah's Table. As part of this series on Korean style salad dressing, today I'm going to be making lemon tofu dressing. Lemon tofu dressing can be used for different kinds of seafood as well as different kinds of vegetables. And I'm going to make it today with abalone and asparagus. This salad you can actually serve as an appetizer or as a simple salad with greens. So let's get started. In a small blender, put in quarter size of a soft tofu. Be sure to get the soft one, not the firm or the hard one. A pinch of salt. Use coarse grain salt. 1 teaspoonful of honey. You can use sugar, but I like honey in this. And 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. 1 tablespoonful of pine nuts. Pine nuts is very important here because that adds sort of the nutty taste to the tofu. Blend it in a see how nice and creamy it is. Don't worry if the pine nuts are not fully macerated because it's nice to be able to taste the pine nuts as well. In order to save time, actually, I already boiled 2 abalone. Basically, if you remember the ginger sake that we made many months ago, clean the abalone and boil the abalone in ginger sake for about 40 minutes. Then it becomes very nice and soft, a little bit rubbery, but very tasty. I'm going to slice it. It's almost like rubber band. That's the texture you want with the abalone. If you don't feel comfortable eating abalone, you can use shrimp or even scallops. But we love abalone because it's supposed to be good for you. And you don't want the abalone to be too thin because you want to be able to taste it as well. And then I also blanch the asparagus in a little bit of salted water and put it in the refrigerator to make it cold. So now I'm ready to mix the two and the salad will be ready. I'm going to use my hand to plate this. I wash my hands, so don't worry. So just to make it pretty, I'll just spread the bottom of the plate with asparagus. Then on top of the asparagus, I put the boiled abalone. So I'm going to pour the lemon tofu dressing over the abalone and asparagus. So as a final touch, I will grind some pine nuts and make it look nice and taste good. Good. Does it look like something that you can get at a restaurant? Enjoy!